I footwork orange, where am I coming from? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I footwork orange, where am I coming from? Watch me rule with my urban tool. I'm no fool, from the old school. So what you wanna do? Got it strapped on my back and my money, all that. If a crook comes along, he can take my crap. My stats pat like a jack, where my busters at. Got a pocket for my mic so I can rap. I footwork orange, where am I coming from? And it just don't stop, so we coming strong. Like hostels running down a funky ride. This is how we're gonna do it one at a time. AFO, we move so sharp like a man in the air. They call I flip rock. Then you know our names and the moves we make. Try and battle us and we'll leave you a stake. Cause in the breakdance battle, we never late. So come on, party people, just rock and break. Who wanna really get tight with me? My style's broke wild like artillery. I'll bang on your face like Tom and Jerry. I'll crump on a case like you know me. Smoke more blunts than Miss Whitney. So fucking rude that you wanna hit me. Ship me, diss me like an MP3. My shit's so hot, they don't wanna see me. Come on. Come on. Come on. My footwork orange, where am I coming from? Come on. Come on. Come on. I am the nigga coming but wide. With a style that's its own job. What a funny kind of blow your mind. I'm another kind, hard to find. What a break, but you didn't know that it was a trick.